Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. So in this session we will be studying another letter of Arabic alphabet. It is called Waaw. It's pronounced as Waaw and the sound is Aw. For example, there are two sounds actually. When it's used as a consonant, that's Aw, and when it is used as a vowel, that's Oo. So there are two sounds for Waaw. We'll explain that here inshallah. Okay, so it has two articulation points as well. The first one is when it's written as mad, but it's actually mad, non-mad. Non-mad means when it's not lengthened. So it's written like in English as mad, but it's pronounced as mad. Okay. The Waaw, when it is not, when it's unlengthened and with its consonant used as a consonant, then it is articulated from forming a circle of two lips without meeting them, and it would. So if you see here, okay, that's Waaw. This is Waaw. So the main force is here on the lips, and nothing else is involved. And when it is the sound will be Aw, Aw, and that's when it is consonant. But when it is a vowel, then it's al-jawf. Al-jawf means the empty space between the mouth and the throat. That is its articulation point, and it is pronounced as oo, oo, as a vowel. Okay, so that's the difference in different usage of Waaw. One is consonant, one is vowel. Okay, and different articulation points for both of them. For consonant, you use, for both of them, use lips, but the other parts are not involved, and focus is on the lips. And for the mad, it is the rest of the empty space of the mouth and the halq, the throat. Okay, so is it a light or heavy letter? It is one of the light letters. Okay. Is it a connector or non-connector? It is one of the non-connectors, which means that if we go to the next slide, so if we see the different connecting forms, for example, if it is used in the beginning of a word, then you can't connect anything after it, any other letters. If you use it in the middle of a word, then you can connect something as another letter before it, but not after it. And similarly, if you use it at the end, you can connect another letter before it. Okay, so since this is the property of the non-connectors, hence it is a non-connector. How to write it? Let's explain that. So it is written like backward E, the E in English, and upper part remains on the line, and the lower part remains below the line. You can see that start from here. Okay, as well, it's like opposite backward E. And if you see, the other forms are, if it's written in the beginning of a word, this, in the middle, like this, and at the end, like this. Okay, so that's how we write it. So the English equivalent for Waaw is, there are two. If it is written as a consonant, as in the word wonder, so Waaw, that's equivalent to Waaw if it is used as a consonant in Arabic. But if it is used as a vowel, then it's oo sound in English. Oo, double O. Oo, that's equivalent to Waaw when it is used as a vowel. For transliteration purposes, we will be using W for Waaw when it is a consonant, but we will be using double O when it is when it is a vowel. Okay, let me explain that again. So W when the vowel is used as a consonant, okay, and double O when the vowel is used as a vowel. When do we have this sound is whenever in Arabic we have Waaw, and before that is a letter, but that letter has a dhamma. Dhamma is this sign. This sound, this is called a short vowel, dhamma, and this sign is called dhamma. And if that sign is on top of the letter before it, then that will transform the vowel into a long vowel. So that will become oo. But anything apart from that, if you have any other letter which has just dhamma on its own and it's not followed by a vowel, then it's going to be considered as a short vowel. It's going to be only o instead of oo. For example, if it's hamza dhamma waw sukoon, that would be oo, so 2 counts. If it is hamza dhamma o only, then that would be o sign 1 count. So as o, this is oo, 2 counts. So single short vowel hamza dhamma, for that we use u sound, u sign, but for long vowel we use double o, and the sign is called dhamma. Okay, so this is the end of this session. We will see you in next session inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.